Well, there are actually a couple of reasons why students, they feel law is not popular among students. Law, especially in India, and it's certainly not a popular field for non-lawyer, non-legal background students. In the sense, the first generation lawyers, it's not popular among them. So why it's not popular among them? Why the parents? And this I'm speaking as a law student myself, that the law as a field, it's something in India especially, it's a profession. And like most of the professions, and it's certainly with regard to the legal profession, one of the things is that, if you don't have that client base, it's very difficult to create a client base in few span of years. And therefore, it will be very tough time for you for 5 to 6 to 7 years to get established as a good lawyer. And it really takes a tough time, and you need to work very hard. And even then, sometimes, and the entire lifetime goes with working very hard, and you just don't establish yourself as a good lawyer. So that's one of the reasons why, people don't want to be in law, and parents who are not lawyers don't want their kids to go into law. Secondly, the reason is that law is a profession, and it's a profession which, and like other professions, it takes time for one to build, for one to become, rich, so to speak. Now, in Indian societies, what happens is that, especially for the young generation, they have a short, they are myopic in the sense that, they want wealth early. Okay, so they want to become millionaires now, not 25 years after, right? Okay, so if you ask a person that, if you are getting 1 crore at 90 years of age, or 80 years of age, or 70 years of age, or 60 years of age, and you say that you are getting 10 lakhs when you are 23, or 20 or 25 lakhs when you are 23, people would prefer 20 or 25 lakhs in 23, because nobody wants at that point of time. At that point of time, when you are 70 years old, money actually doesn't, buy you many things, and money actually doesn't satisfy you and fill you with pleasure, and fill you with other things in life, which life throws at you at when you are young. um, Marriage is one very important aspect of it. Nobody cares, if you are, going to be rich when you are 70 or 80. People would give daughter to you, the daughters to you, only if you are, rich, only if you are rich, and if you are financially capable within, I mean, forgive my political incorrectness if at all it is, but people won't give you, their daughters for marriage. And it would be a hard time building a relationship for marriage, because people won't trust you, that they won't buy that argument that by the time I'm 70, or by the time I'm 50, or by the time I'm 40, I would be stable enough. They want you to be stable enough now. And 5 years down the law school, already you are 23. After 23 of 10 years of practice, 33, I mean, when are you going to get stable? When are you going to get married? So that's something which people, so it's very difficult for first generation lawyers to establish themselves in that particular regard. Then the next thing that we have is, um, then the next thing that, why law is not preferred, is because law as a profession, it's a profession which the conservatives especially, I mean, it's not an argument which is there in every religion, or so to speak, but people generally don't like the field of law, because it deals with crime, it deals with lying, it deals with, it's technically lying, because you have to lie before the judge that your client is innocent when you are guilty. Of course, in legal sense, if you ask a lawyer, it's actually not lying. But then, yeah, that's in for a layman's language, that definitely is lying. And therefore you are going to, and many times, your work is basically denying justice to the innocent, because it's a game of merit. Whichever lawyer is better, whichever side is better presented, that side serves justice. So, uh, because of that particular aspect, people don't want to get into law. um, Now, with all this respect, so if you look at the IITs, and the best thing about the law, why law is not a very good option for students, is because there are other options as well which are quite good. I mean, if you look at the investment that is required for engineering with hard work, the returns as of now is much more than what you would get in law. So engineering is better in terms of that, because it's getting so that's why it's more popular among Indian students. Um and so Science, technology, all those fields are much better than arts. In terms of remuneration in India, respect usually comes with remuneration, and then satisfaction you to get in every job. So remuneration, satisfaction, and respect, this is something that people look at on the aspect of all the three, especially the two. People many think that other options like science and medicine and engineering, etc., is better than law. So that's the reason why law is not uh, that popular in India. And good students usually don't take law for that matter. Right now there is a growth of NLUs, and there is growth of national law universities, etc. All of that is basically because of the factor that corporate law is in trend. If you remove the aspects of corporate law and the amount of money that law firm gives you, like 12 like 13 lakhs, etc., they make you work very hard, but still the amount of money that they give you, that's basically enough to attract huge number of CLAT aspirants and other law entrance aspirants. But otherwise, if corporate law is removed from the scene, then people won't have much attraction towards law.